guys, welcome back to my channel. So sorry I have been MIA on you guys and haven't posted in the past like 4 weeks. Oh, dang. But yeah, anyways, I just been dealing with stuff on my own. But yeah, I just need to come to myself. But now I'm back, I'm better. I will be posting more frequently, so yeah. Anyways, so for today's look, I did do another festival look. I mean, it is festival season, you know. Yeah, I got you guys looks and stuff. I love to do festival looks, guys. I love being creative, you know, like coming out of your comfort zone, like using vibrant colors you don't use like on a daily basis, like for everyday makeup, things like that. Like just bam, you know, just being creative. I like that. So yeah, I will be posting a lot more festival looks. So yeah, for today's look, I did like a, I don't know what you want to call it, like a unicorn cotton candy vibe. I mean, I have the blue lips, I have like pink bluish iridescent eyes. I have like yellow mascara on the bottom lash line. Girl, I'm like, girl, yeah. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this look and like it just as much as I did. I had so much fun doing it. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to recreate this look right here, and just keep on watching. But before we get into the video, I also want to do a small review. My honest review on this palette, it's from Candy for Beauty. It's a glitter palette. Honestly, I love it. Like, a lot of these colors I've never really seen like as loose like pigments on other palettes and stuff, so I fell in love with it right away. I've never owned like a glitter palette. This is my first one. I always just have like the individual like just single glitters and stuff. But yeah, this palette, it's pretty good. They're pretty pigmented. The only thing, it is a glitter, so they are messy. They're hard to work with sometimes. They're a pain in the butt, but they're amazing, guys. Like, look. Like, look at that green and this teal. Some of them, for example, though, you do have to work with because they are like, I want to say like not so vibrant. You have to really build it up to intensify the color, which is fine. I'm okay with that. But yeah, as long as you have your glitter glue and a good brush, you're set, you're good to go. And your look will come out bomb, guys. Like, trust me, these glitters are good. I like it. They are more on the pricey side. That's the only downside about it. Yes, you can find a cheaper palette. But a lot of the colors, like I said, some of these colors, I mean, not a lot of them, but some of these I've never really seen on other palettes, and that's one thing I really liked about it. For example, this one is like a purpley-ish bluish. I know that they have like chunky glitters that are like similar to this color, but I've never really seen just a pigment like that by itself. So I really like this color right here, as well as this one. Well, it's like the ones I'm using on my eyelid today. But yeah, so I think this palette is like $38, something like that. But I got you guys on that discount code. You guys can use my discount code reinamua, and I will post it somewhere on the video or in the description box. But yeah, if you guys are interested in buying this, go right ahead. They not only sell these palettes, they also have like brushes, a couple more palettes, jewelries, accessories. Yeah, go check out their website. It's a pretty neat website. And yeah, okay, I need to stop talking now, so let's get into the video. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm dyeing my hair tomorrow, and I am so scared, like so scared. Okay, so anyways, okay, I need to stop talking. I need to shut up. Okay, let's get into the tutorial. So to start off the look, the first shade I'm going to be picking up is from the Element of Surprise palette from ColourPop, and the shade Subdue. It's a bright pink color, and I'm going to be using the Morphe E18 brush, and I'm basically just going to be outlining the crease, just packing that shade on there. With that same brush, the next shade I'm going to be picking up is from the Masquerade palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be picking up the shade Bori, And again, that's another bright pink color, and I'm just basically gonna make the crease like darker using this pink shade. So once I finished applying that pink shade, I'm going to grab my Morphe M330 brush, and I'm going to be dipping into the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. And I'm going to be grabbing those two yellow orangey-ish shades right at the bottom. And I'm going to be using these as my transition color over that pink shade. You're just going to be blending back and forth in circular motions. Just keep applying those two yellowish shades. Okay, so now I'm going back to my Morphe E18 brush, and I'm picking up a brighter orange color, and I'm just kind of gonna blend the pink with the other yellow tones. And then I went ahead and grabbed the purple, like one of the brighter purple colors from that same palette, and started applying that right on top of the other shades. And I'm basically just gonna start doing this until I'm happy with the way it looks. So I'm gonna intensify the color a little bit more, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab the darker purple, mixing it with the other bright purple, and just again tapping that right on the lid. Basically, you kind of want it to look like an ombre color. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and start to cut the crease right in the center, and this is where we're gonna apply our glitter. So like I've said in my other videos, it's okay if it doesn't come out perfect. Like, you're gonna be applying other shades on top of that. And before we apply the glitter, I went ahead and picked up the blue color from the same NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. I don't remember where I got this brush from. I think it came from the Urban Decay palette. I'm not sure exactly because it kind of broke off. But I just grabbed that blue color, and I'm just applying that on the sides where I applied the concealer. And this is going to add more color when we add the glitter on top of it. Okay, so I dipped back into the Masquerade palette, and I grabbed the shade Dahlia, and that's a darker blue color, and I'm just applying this right on top of the other blue shade that I applied earlier from the NYX Shadow Palette. Okay, now using a e.l.f. Flat brush, I grabbed the two purples from the NYX Shadow Palettes, and I'm just going to be blending the blue and the purples together on the outer corner and the inner corners. So I wanted to intensify the color a little bit more, so I grabbed my Morphe E18 brush again, and I grabbed the shades Sobo and Bori from the Masquerade palette, and I'm just darkening up the outer corner again and the inner corner. Okay, so with the Morphe M224 brush, I went ahead and applied my NYX glitter glue right on the center of where we added the concealer, in between the two blue shades. And I'm going into my Candy for Beauty palette. It's a pressed glitter palette, and I'm grabbing that purple shade. It doesn't have the names, unfortunately, but it is a like a light purpley color. And then the next, I'm just applying this on the center, and on the sides where we added that blue shade, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a blue glitter, from the same palette, from the Candy for Beauty palette, and yeah, just apply this on the sides and start blending the two glitters kind of together. So right here, I just went ahead and grabbed a darker bluish purple color and applied that right on the center, just mixing both all three glitters again. Okay, so once again, picking up my Morphe E18 brush, I went ahead and grabbed the two purple shades again from the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, and I'm just darkening up the outer corner and the inner corner once again. And then I went ahead and dipped into the Masquerade palette and picked up that Dahlia shade again, and I'm just applying this right on top of the where we applied that blue glitter. I'm just intensifying the color a little bit more and I'm just trying to make the color stand out more. And yeah, you're just going to be applying this basically until you're happy with how it looks. Okay, so now I grabbed a orangey-ish eyeliner. This is from MAC, and this is the shade Genuine Orange, and I'm just going to be applying this on my waterline. So I went ahead and grabbed a Sonia Kashuk brush, and I don't remember what collection I got this from, but anyways, I dipped back into the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette and I picked up those two yellow orangey shades, and I also grabbed the brighter orange color, and I'm just starting to smoke out the bottom lash line, blending all those shades together. And I also grabbed the shades Zobo and Bori from the Masquerade palette, and I'm just gonna start smoking it out until I'm happy with how it looks. Okay, so here I just picked up my Morphe M224 brush once again. I added some glitter glue, and I'm just applying that glitter glue right on the center of my bottom lash line. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit of glitter just to kind of add more definition to the eye look. And I just grabbed that blue shade again from the Candy for Beauty palette. And this is the shade that I applied last to kind of blend the two shades at the top together. I decided to add some yellow mascara, and this is by MAC and the color Energize. And I'm just going to apply this on my lower lashes, not my top ones. Okay, so here I just dipped into my Sweets Glow Kit by Anastasia, and I just picked up the shade Marshmallow using my Sonia Kashuk brush. I just applied this on the brow bone and on my tear duct. Okay, so now I'm applying my eyelashes, and these are from the Eyler, I never know how to say it. These are the Look Silk ones in Radiant, and I really like them because you don't really have to wear eyeliner with them. It kind of just makes it look like you already have some on, which is what I love. But look at me struggling, like I can't even put on these damn lashes. Look at that, look at that. Oh my god. But anyways, after this, it looks pretty much done, guys. Alright guys, so that was it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like, yeah, I want to recreate it for yourselves. Stay tuned, I do have more festival looks coming your way. So yeah, bye guys, thanks for watching.